We give you the kits to clean, moisturize, and care for your shoes in order to keep them beautiful for longer. Our care kit for footwear consists of a cleaning brush, a moisturizer along with its applicator sponge, and a waterproofing spray. Using them is very simple. To treat our leather shoes, make sure to clean the surface using a cleaning brush gently. To nourish, strengthen, and give more flexibility to our leather shoes, apply the moisturizer all over the surface in a homogeneous way with a sponge. Once the moisturizer is applied, wait for it to be completely absorbed. For greater protection, apply the waterproofing spray when the shoe has absorbed the moisturizer. Thus, we will reduce the absorption of water and will protect our shoes from moisture. But what happens if our shoes are made with suede leather? Before applying the waterproofing spray, clean the shoe with our brush, always using it in the same direction. In an open space, cover the surface that you're going to use. Shake well and spray evenly at a distance of 20 cm, including laces, trimmings, and heels until it is wet. Apply it without fear. There is no problem for excess product. Once the dry season is over, it's time to put them to the test. As it can be seen, water has gone through the shoe that is not protected with our product. However, the one we have waterproofed is completely intact. So easy! With our cleaning kit, long life to your shoes!